Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn the map, filter and reduce methods in arrays. So let's start the tutorial. So here we have a array of object, right? So if suppose I want only the key, right? So what are the methods? So first method is gonna be, right, I'm going to push all the key into one array and return this, right? So this is one. And go to the console and check something. Let me comment. Okay, so let's reload. See, it's a student's ID with 123. This is one method that we can use the for each method and push one by one data to the this array. Another one that we can use the map function, right? So see, it will return the same one. If I want to add the value over here, it won't show the difference. Same one, same one. So which one is easier? That is the map. It will take one parameter and return whatever value that you want to return from the array of objects, right? So next we are going to move to the map function we have already discussed, right? Let's go to the filter. So we are filtering the value. So here we have the digits 12, 14 and 50, right? I want to filter only the value that is greater than 18. Okay, so in that case we are going to use the filter method. So if I'm going to reload this tab, see, only 50 is coming. Means that the value is greater than 18, that is 50. You can put over here like 60. You can also get this part because it is also greater than 18. So 50 and 60. This is the main use of the filter function. Okay? So whatever the value is greater than 18, it will return from this array. Next, we have the method that is called reduce. Reduce is used to transform an array of the strings into a single object by meeting a specific condition, right? So here I am using an example. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in reduce function we have a function that can return result plus item. Result plus item means whatever we have the data, and we will sum that data. That will return console.log sum, right? So if I'm going to reload this one, it will going to represent 10. Suppose I'm going to pass it over here and one more 10, right? So what we are going to happen? 20. That means whatever we have the value, it will add of amount or value to the current you can object, right? Initial object and the current. Whatever the initial one is, like the whatever we have do the manipulation, that is 10. After that we can add whatever value that we can add into that function. So reduce is basically used to transform an array of strings into a single object, right? So this is the tutorial on the array, sorry, map, filter and reduce. So I hope you will understand what the logic behind the use of the map. Map function is the replacement of the loop and for each, so you can use that map function. Basically map function is used for the arrays of objects you can add, and for array you can also use that. Next, we have the filter to filter out anything, specific ID, specific name, whatever you can filter out from an array, right? And the last one, that is the reuse, to transform an array of strings into a single object, or whatever manipulation that you want to do from the object. You can use the reduce, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share, and comment.